Create a lush blueberry pie with the contrasting flavour of smooth chocolate added by Good Day Chunkies. Hi, I'm Nandita Iyer, and today in the Britannia Dessert Carnival, I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry pie with a chocolatey twist. We'll start our recipe by preparing the pie crust, and for that we need Good Day Chunkies. We need around 2 to 3 packets to prepare the entire pie crust, and we'll be crushing this to a powder. So our Good Day Chunkies are crushed now, and I'm going to add melted butter to this. We'll mix this up. So our pie crust mixture is ready, and I'm going to press this into a mold. So here I have a mold greased slightly with butter, and I'm putting in the mixture here. A balance of milk and dark chocolate chips in the Good Day Chunkies gives the perfect chocolatey contrast to the blueberry flavour. So I've pressed down this pie crust mixture, and I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill for around 15 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare the filling mixture for the pie. For this, I'm first going to whisk egg and brown sugar. Now I'm going to add the milk and vanilla, and we'll whip this one more time. And here I have some blueberry puree. I'm just going to add it to the mixture here. Instead of blueberry, you can use any other seasonal fruit for this pie, and that is your Chunkies tip of the day. So our filling mixture is ready. Let me get the pie crust from the fridge. I'm going to put in the filling, and then we'll proceed to bake this. I'm going to add some whole blueberries on top of this. And now it's time to bake our pie. I have preheated the oven at 175, and we'll be baking this pie for around 40 minutes. Blueberry pie with a melt-in-mouth chocolate flavour is all set to chunkify the dessert experience for you. I hope you enjoyed this delicious blueberry and Good Day Chunkies fusion. Like, share and subscribe to not miss a single delicacy in the Britannia Dessert Carnival.